In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address from the old one. Let's get started. Go to your browser and search for Google Account. Click on the first link. Now go to Personal Info. Click on Email. Go to Google Account Email. Enter your password to be able to proceed changing your address. Enter your new email address. If you see address taken, change it till you find one that's not taken by anyone and change address. Click on Yes, Change Email. Now your email is changed. Here you'll find your old email address used as an alternate email address, which means you can still receive email through that. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.